How to add payment method on Binance? Follow these steps. The first step is simple. Open the Binance app on your mobile device. Once you are logged in, you will see the Binance logo at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the logo to open the profile menu. Now look for the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to enter the settings page. Scroll down and tap on the payments method option. Here look for the payment method option and select it. This section especially handles the payment method used for buying and selling the cryptocurrency. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a button that says Add a payment method. Click on this to start the process. You will be now presented with a list of available payments method. If you are in a hurry, use the search bar at the top to quickly locate your preferred payment method and click on it. After selecting your payment method, confirm your selection. And there you go. You now know how to add payment method on Binance app.